Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to this video. I wanted to share with you today, or I want to share with you today, the Ooh La La collection from iGel Beauty. I was going to say the OMG collection, but that's from a whole nother brand. I wanted to share this collection with you because, as we know, I do work with monomer only. I am not a dipper. I don't do dip work. Now, this collection is targeted towards dipping. It does say fine dipping powder. And so I wanted to share with you my experience as a monomer nail tech. I absolutely love this collection. Mind you, this collection is a larger collection. It is a 72 color collection, and it has a very wide range of colors. And I think 2 colors at the most gave me some marbling. And those were actually neon colors, which we all know they tend to do that. Anyway, the white is very nice. I have used the white. I have used the black, which are the first 2 colors. This number 7 that you're seeing right now is such a beautiful, beautiful purpley gray color. And I am in love with these colors, let me tell you. I have used this collection so much more than I thought I would. During the winter, when I first got the collection, I used the number 30 and the 31 quite a bit. I really, really enjoyed those 2 colors for that season of the year. And then once spring and summer were here, I started to use the neon pastels, and those are from the 37 up to like 46, 47, and then up to 54 are very bright colors, neon colors too. I have excuse me, I have used the number 45 and the number 43 as pastel neons so much this year. I have had an obsession with the color green this year, and let me tell you that 45 doesn't disappoint. So I really hope that you'll stay and you'll see how these colors work with monomer. And I highly, highly suggest that you check out this collection if you are in, and looking for colors to get, for color colors to get, and that you give it a chance, because let me tell you, you will not be disappointed. Like I said, it is a larger collection, but they are like 1 ounce containers. So it is a large collection, but it is very beginner friendly, because you will not use, it's not going to seem like it is a lot of product. Now, like I said, these are 1 ounce containers, 72 colors, and there is from the 55 to the 72, they are shimmers or glitters. And from the 37 to the 54 are very bright colors or neon pastel colors. From the 19, from the 19 to the 33 or so are very berry colors, like different shades of pinks and reds, purples. And then from 1 to the 18 are neutral colors, more so your whites, blacks, more nudish, more beige, more browns, and such. I have recorded this audio a few times. I was having issues with my microphone, or not my microphone, my software that I use for editing. So it was giving me a little bit of a hard time, and I'm not very savvy at these things. So I was trying to figure it out. So if I seem a little monotone or maybe even robotic, I'm just tired. I really was very excited to share with you like this collection because it is one of the prettiest collections I have worked with in a while. I enjoyed all of the colors, all of the shimmers. Like I said, there is like 2 colors, and I believe those are in the neons, which is the 42, and it marbles a little bit, but the 42 is a clear base. Almost, it's almost seemed clear, and you'll see it here soon. And the 38 also is kind of clearish, or it marbles to clear, but it's a purple color, and it is very pretty and it's workable, but you do have to work a little bit harder with those 2 colors than the rest of the collection, in my opinion. Like I said, I have used so many of these colors. I think the first ones I used were the 48 and the 47, and I did a set that was so gorgeous. I did use the 54, the 53, which are very bright neon coral colors. So yeah, I don't know. I think this collection is so worth it. It's a lot of colors. You get a variety, very, very nice variety of colors for the entire year. So they have the Dip and Dab collection, and they also have the ombres, the diamond collection. And the diamond collection to me seemed more like dusty colors, more, I would say, fall winter colors. Even though they do have brights in that collection, but the majority of the colors are more like dusty. So in this collection, the Ooh La La, the one that you're seeing right now, has everything you need for the entire year, in my opinion. The glitters are nice, the shimmers are very nice, the pastel neons are very, very nice. I have used, if you go to my Instagram, you'll see that I have done some very bright or colorful sets, and most of those, and I listed the products I use on my pictures. So if you go back there, you'll see there's a lot of this collection on those sets that I used for this summer. This is the number 38, the one I was telling you that does marble a little bit. I have used it twice, and I really like the color. I just work a little bit harder with them. This one's a really, really nice color too. The 39, really cute. The 40, the 41, like my colors on this collection are from the 39, maybe 38 to the 54. All gorgeous, all really gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is we're all the way on 41. I am going to let you watch the rest of the video. I'm not gonna bug you anymore. This is the other one that's a little the marbles a little bit. It's kind of clear when it dries up. And just so you know, my favorite one is this one, the 43 and the 45. Just wait to see that one. It's really, 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 really pretty. I keep talking, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let you watch the rest of the video. Thank you so much for hitting play on this video, for coming back, seeing my videos. I really enjoy having you around. I will be coming with another collection, and it is an entire collection from another company. And so if you want to stick around to see that one, that would be really nice. I will, as soon as I upload it, I will go ahead and post it on my social media so that you guys can know to come see it. And if you are not subscribed, I would love it if you can hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you are notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.